The garage door is an essential part of your home, but it can become dangerous when cables fall off unexpectedly. Misalignment, worn-out components, and tension issues can lead to this frustrating and hazardous problem. Homeowners in Flower Mound often face garage door cable failures due to natural wear and temperature shifts. Understanding the role of garage door cables is crucial for ensuring your door operates safely and effectively. These cables help lift and lower the door, requiring proper tension to maintain balance and stability. Common causes of cable failure include fraying, improper spring tension, and misaligned tracks or drums. Obstructions in the tracks or accidental impacts can also result in cables detaching and the door becoming dysfunctional. Recognizing signs like a crooked door or unusual noises can help you catch cable problems early. Regular maintenance and professional inspections are vital to keep your garage door cables secured and functioning perfectly. Don't ignore cable issues. Seek professional help to ensure your garage door remains a safe entry point to your home.